Hey Roses, it's the one and only LaRose, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video, y'all. And right now I'm actually on the way to my chiropractic appointment. I have to be there. So I'm about to go do that right now. And I was like, you know what? I was sitting here reading and I was like, you know what? I got to get up and go to this appointment. Let me film. Let me just go ahead and film for you guys. So I wonder if I'm going to bring my camera in to my chiropractic appointment. Because those of you who follow me on Instagram, y'all know that, hold on. It was so pretty yesterday. I think we're out of the 3-digit numbers. I think the highest it was yesterday was like 90, 95. Okay, so I'm officially using my selfie stick, that I bought. I think I put it in a video. I'm not sure if I did or if I didn't, but I love this thing so far. It hasn't broke on me yet, but I think this is my first time actually filming a video that's gonna be uploaded using it. I'm so excited, y'all. Today's just such a beautiful day. Like, oh my gosh, like it's 72 degrees outside right now and it's 9:14 a.m. It just feels so good. Fall is my favorite season. It's September 12th. My birthday is September 29th. I'm about to be 24, big 2-4, you know, so y'all wish me an early happy birthday, but actually you can save it because I would rather you say happy birthday on my birthday. But yeah, y'all, my birthday is coming. Big Libra season. Big Libra season is coming. I've been hearing all these Virgos talking about Virgo season. Whatever, y'all. Take a nap. It's Libra season all day. It's Libra season all day. Okay? Big Libra. Okay. But y'all, let me get to my destination. I'll see y'all in a second. Hey Roses, so I am just now leaving my chiropractic appointment. Well, I'm still up here. But I'm in my car. One thing I will say about going to a chiropractor, ladies, oh my God, if you wear wigs, like, you are not safe. You are not safe if you wear wigs and you're going to a chiropractor, because the way they be cracking your neck and stretching you, they're like in the middle of your head. So like they're up under my wig. And I'm just like, are you purposely trying to like pull my hair off? Like, what's going on? Like, do you want to talk about it? But y'all, I'm about to head home. I'm about to head somewhere. Actually, I'm about to go to Sonic, and I'll see y'all when I get to Sonic, because I have a Sonic coupon. This lady gave me the Sonic coupon like a long time ago, but it doesn't expire until the 31st, or no, until December 31st. So I'm about to go use it. I will see you guys once I get there. Okay, I just got to Sonic. My stomach is hungry, dude. I'm growling. My stomach is growling. Let's see. Make sure that y'all follow me on TikTok, because I have to go make a TikTok right now. So y'all see the TikTok in the video, or will you? I don't know. So I'm actually up here at Sonic still. I just killed my food. Like, it's done for. I didn't even show you guys. It was so good. But I did make a TikTok video, so if you want to see it that bad, head over to my TikToky talk, and you'll see it right there on my TikToky talk. But okay, let me think. What do I need to do? I think I need to check and see what this man said, this manager of mine said, and let you guys know what's going on from there. Bye. So I'm just now pulling up to this antique mall. I've never been here before, and I just want to go. Like, I just felt like going. I was like, you know what? Let's just go and see what's in here. You never know what you might find. I mean, what's that movie called? The Brass Teapot. They went into this. Well, they didn't buy it. They stole it. The girl stole it, and turned out the teapot. Every time you injured yourself, the teapot spit out a bunch of money. They were just doing too much. I mean, I can't say, because if it was me, would I go crazy injuring myself? I don't think so. I don't know. Who knows what I would do? Who knows what people would do whenever there's that opportunity right in front of them? But we gotta go ahead, get ourselves together so we can get up out this car, see what's in here. Yeah. Where's my key though? I'm one of those who forgets their key inside the car sometimes. I know it's not good. You break, you buy, so please be gentle. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I want to do a little picture. There's a chair right here. I wonder if somebody took a picture right here. I'm gonna take a picture, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I'm looking at. Okay, this is cool. So all this stuff is for sale? Like, it seems so personal and intimate. I feel like it feels like a museum, you know? It doesn't feel like I should be able to buy this stuff. Okay, let's go further into the store. They have a candle section. I love candles. The Naked Bee Everyday Facial Cleansing Gel. Interesting. I've never heard of that brand before. Look at the baby crib. This guy looks kind of funny right there. This is a pretty mirror. Slow school zone. This, do not touch the mirror. It's time to go. That was kind of. I don't feel like I should touch anything. And this place is huge. Look all the way down there. It's like a, is this an antique mall? This place is huge. I'm not gonna be able to explore everything. But the way that AC just kicked on like that, and it was cold. Ooh, this is cool. Time clocks. I'm not gonna be able to explore everything. There's so much though, like a bunch of cool stuff. Yeah, I really do love this stick. I love this selfie stick. It's amazing. Look at that horse butt. This is do not touch. Don't touch the horse butt. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's a bunch of crystals. Look at all of those crystals. This one right here is pretty, and so is this one. Ooh. That's pretty. It's like a bonsai tree of crystals. Look at that one. What is that? This is a quartz crystal. It's almost $100. That's wild. Ooh, those rings are pretty. See that? The only thing about buying stuff like this is you don't know where it's come from or anything like that. And I just feel like that's how you take stuff with you. The lighting is good right here. Look at this lamp. Okay, come get this lamp. But that's how you take stuff with you is, oh, you can walk through this? Holy cow. Oh my gosh. This is interesting. You know, it's like a little room in here. Wow, look at this. Scrabble letters. There's a jar of Scrabble letters. And shoes. Old wooden, like, I guess this is how they size the shoes. This is so cool. And then these scissors. I always like, oh. I always like those kind of scissors because the aesthetic. I like the aesthetic. My hand is starting, that hand was hurting. I got flashcards right here. That's nice. Some old school flashcards for the kids. The New Testimony in Modern English. Coming out of there. Gotta get me a little snaps, some snaps. Said you break, you buy. That's why I ain't touching nothing. Well, I am touching stuff, but I'm being really careful. Look at that. Let me show you guys some more. Oh, they have a knight. That's cool. He's a cool dude. I don't see anything scary in here. I think I do want to go to a haunted or not haunted museum, but I think I do want to go to a horror museum or something like that, like just where they have like a bunch of scary stuff. But it doesn't have to be real. I would prefer for it to be a fake one that people just put together for Halloween. I don't want to go to an actual real place where they have real horror stuff, because that's also how you catch things. Ooh, these are cool. Those are cool. Look at that tiara. Dun dun dun. People are really in here shopping. You never know. Some of this stuff could be worth a lot. I wonder if, like, I wonder where they get this stuff from. How do they acquire their items? Oh, that's a nice looking lamp. Oh wow, this is the perfect place to come for dads. If you wanted to get your dad a Corona light up sign, there's one right there. Here's another one. Another Corona. And you got your Coors Light right there. This is, they got some helmets, that's cool. Got one right there. They got one on the floor. She looks kind of interesting. Starting to get the heebie-jeebies a little bit. I wonder where their furniture is. Like, do they have any places that have like big like the furniture, like a bed? Or I'm looking down here, further down that way. Cool stuff. It's super cold. Holy cow. Ooh. Jesus. I wonder what it's like in the wintertime then. Because it's cold outside too. Got a nice breeze outside too. Oh, they got a nice table set right here. This is what the old school houses look like. Who's that? That's not bad, you know? It's a nice little table. I feel like some people would still use that today. Oh. Yeah, they got, wow. They got bunk beds over there that are actual, like, wood. That's cool. They got a carriage over here, like, they got a plane. They have the nose of a plane. I just walked all the way to the other side of the warehouse. Oh, wow. Look at the bed. And then the baby carriage. That's cute and sweet. I'm kind of getting sad. I don't know why. We got a bunch of cool stuff though. This is that carriage I was talking about. It's cool. Alright. She got a donkey. It's a nice little area. I'm not talking a lot, y'all, just because I'm observing everything and taking it in. But I'm on my way out, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get to the car. I am leaving the mall. Well, it is an antique mall. Hold on, let me extend my, boom. It is an antique mall. I hope y'all saw that. There was a lot of beautiful things in there. That was nice to do. I always see it and I always pass by it when I'm like taking my son to school or you know, going to the store, it doesn't matter because it's right here on this main strip. So I always see it. This person is blowing up my phone right now. And now you want to blow up my phone? People be interesting to me. But y'all, I'm about to head home and try to get some videos. Well, not try. I'm gonna head home and get some videos out for you guys. That's gonna be all for this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. They are down below in the description box. Okay? And stay tuned for my future videos, y'all. I am coming through with the videos. I'm coming through. That's all you need to know. I'm coming through with the videos, y'all. I'm really pushing them out. I'm really doing my thing out here. Okay, y'all, I really appreciate the support. Just keep supporting me. Stay down till we come up. Bye.